This is Dr. Sushil Tahilyani from Mumbai and attached to Hinduja Hospital as well as Hinduja Healthcare. Please join me on 5th of December at 3:30 p.m. for a live webinar where the topic I discuss will be acne and its management. As we know, the management of acne has undergone a revolutionary change and there are new concepts in pathogenesis. So let's discuss some of those relevant, interesting changes, and I'm sure it will be a good, enjoyable experience with exchange of knowledge. And I must thank the Glenmark Dharma Pathshala and DocMode, the digital knowledge marketing platform, for making this possible. Thank you.